morning, fam. What's up? We are currently on our way to go apartment shopping with the roomie Taylor Wan. Really excited. My dad and I both stayed up really late last night. We are chugging our coffee right now. Cheers. We will see you at our location when we're reunited with Taylor Wan. Okay, we're here now. I'm just looking for Taylor Wan. She's like, I'll meet you out front. And I'm like, dude, where are you? Oh, he's here. She's been spotted. Hi. No way. What?
So it pops up.
Oh my gosh, this might be my dream kitchen. That's so pretty. I love how they did the gray cabinets with the white backsplash. We should buy this for Katie, for our littles when they come visit. They have a little chair just for them. This could be like our apartment.
But look at this.
This TV stand, oh, that's cute. And it matches the dresser. It's like the same collection. Yeah, take a picture of that. I like how you don't see the junk, you know?
Yeah.
Like I like the drawer thing and it just looks clean.
I was looking at, well, what's the cheapest one? It was $89.99.
But then you have to get bins and stuff. I think it is a queen. Yeah, it looks kind of big. I think a full is plenty.
It looks short.
I get these, but maybe not the hanging ones, but then put the fake plants in them.
Yeah.
Because it's cute. And stuff like this. We could put our pasta in there. Take a picture of that because I like the surface area it's got. Perfect. Oh, the angles. It's a little cactus vase. What is it? And well, if I can't tell, then it wasn't meant to be. This would be the one I was thinking about, but it's way too short. And you have to decorate all these things or like find stuff to put in it. Oh, here's some of the other TV stands.
This one is still clear though.
This is a little bit less than the other one, but I just don't like it as much as the other one. The other one looked nicer. We could go taller, but yeah, it's still clear. I don't want to see the junk. And then this looks too much like a medical cabinet. We're not doctors yet. You only use them for drawing or can you do other stuff?
You
Like,
can use it for drawing, or it's really good if you want to learn your dance positions.
really? $8 for the little dude? Well, cheaper than renting a boyfriend. This was the other TV stand that we were looking at, but we would have to find like all these bins and I just don't, that's kind of a weird size. I like this. I wish we had a room like this that we could just make like our office, like our study room, and we just be on the grind in here studying away. It's very large though. The picture, her desk is kind of small, but I do kind of like a big desk because half of the desk is my desktop. This is a cute chair. Then this is the other desk I was gonna get. This one. Yeah. So this one matches my dresser and it matches, wait, do these not open all the way? Weird. It doesn't open all the way. Like, what about all that stuff? This one comes off the wall less, which is kind of nice.
So much deeper and you have a lot more space with your desk.
The drawer thing is just weird to me how it doesn't fully open. There is another desk that I was looking at, but I don't see it over here. Or do I? I'm really struggling. I don't know whether to get this desk that matches my dresser or the other desk which matches like the tower thing I want to get. Oh, this is the other one, Taylor. This one looks more artsy, but my mom was like, it'll look super weird next to that. I just don't know if that wood would really match. I wish it was lighter wood. We're deciding on getting this one.
You sound so unhappy. Don't get it if you're not.
No, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it'll actually match my dresser better than that. Yeah. Steel legs. It'll be better. More space for studying. That's what really matters. Look at this cute little planter pot. And we can put it on the shelf.
Well, so this comes separately than the potted plants.
Yeah. Oh, it's $10.
I think it's free.
It's free. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's reasonable. Okay, we're getting a bag because now we're getting stuff. Plant one, check. Okay, so we already bought this, but I thought I would show you guys since I'm gonna just show like all the furniture I'm getting. And we got 2 chairs, so it's like one for each of us, and then we'll push that end up against the wall. It's cute, I like it a lot. We should get these above the dining room table. Those are so cool. I think we should get some, like 3 of them. Next mission is to find myself a bed. I need a bed. So I think I know the one I want. I think it was this one, honestly. This is the bed we're gonna get. We're gonna get a full. It's gonna be $219, which is pretty reasonable. Yeah. There's a lot of storage. I love that. Taylor and I are getting so excited. T1's gonna get a dresser, so we're gonna have matching dressers. Finally, a cart. We needed this. Probably gonna need 2, honestly. Let's go. Yeah, exactly. This is why we brought multiple people to push the cart. We need this one. Maybe we do 2 of these. One on either side of that one.
Yeah.
So
now we just need the bin to put it.
Yeah, the bin. These. Those are nice.
$5.99.
Perfect.
I think that's probably good because you can still cut bread and vegetables on.
Yeah, and then I have one of these plastic ones already. Grater, check. Where's Doug? You can always come back and get this. I just kind of want to like think about it. This is what it's called, so I remember. The speckles are nice because then it doesn't look as dirty. Okay, we're gonna get this lamp. It's really cute for our living room. It's called the Renarp. Everyone always asks me what lights I put in my dorm room that were hanging above my bed, and these are it. Oh, Taylor, here's your mirror that you like. Ta-da! That's the one I had. I abandoned our cart, but I found it, so we're all good now. Okay, we found some other things. This is gonna go on our outdoor table and chair set. We got a little candle for it and a little vase, which is probably unnecessary, but it's really cute. So yeah, we lost Taylor. We're gonna go back and find her. We all have carts. All right, we're getting my desk right now. We're in aisle 18, bin 40. This is my favorite thing to do when I come here. Taylor's getting the TV stand and the little table for the side of the TV stand. No, that's it. Wait, what? That's not right. This is aisle 18 down.
Still echoes in my head.
All right, we're currently lost. We cannot find the bed frame that we need to get. We're in the right place, but you found it? Yes, we found it.
You gotta weigh in, this is not something to die for. You turn your back on me, so I turn my back on.
So excited. We're getting her mirror right now for her room. All right, we're loading up right now. I will talk to you guys once we get all of our stuff. There Taylor goes. Bye, T1. Just said goodbye to Taylor. We finished our shopping spree, got a whole bunch of stuff, as you guys saw, and now I'm like in that really weird mood where I'm just feel weird because I had a bunch of coffee and no food. So we're going to Panera Bread, which is my favorite place ever. We've reached the Mecca. All right, sorry guys, I forgot to film our food in Panera. I was really distracted and so hungry that I just shoved it all in my stomach. I'm gonna end today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for a huge like apartment haul with all the stuff I didn't show you guys today, but this is all the furniture that I got. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite thing to buy for your room or apartment? I really like decor-y pieces. Like furniture is kind of exciting. I'm excited about our table for our TV, like our TV stand. I think that's really cute. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.